Yeah, I don't know why the hell it went so wild.
Like, was it trying to follow you?
I don't.
You put it right between the power line.
Oh, I know, that was stupid. I'm embarrassed, Dale. I'm sorry you had to see that. Yeah, it's like, usually you let go of it and it just stops like that, so. I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, it's all right. Glad you had it down.
Max flight distance reached. Takeoff.
Okay. Yeah, I go. Yeah. Alright, let's see. The windows go down?
Oh, electric windows.
They're electric.
Yeah, once you turn the key on, you can put all the windows down.
I just don't want to screw anything up here.
Turn the key on.
Sure? Yeah, I don't know.
There you go.
Oh,
Put on the
Jesus.
gas, though. You might need a little bit.
Oh, really? Okay.
When she starts.
Alright. A little nervous here.
You're okay. There you go. There you go.
Nice.
Put your windows down now. You got 4 buttons there. Just push
This here, right?
one at a time. Yep, that'll go down. Well, that was the trunk you just did.
Oh, shit.
The 4 buttons in a row there. You got to see 4 buttons in a row there by your fucking...
Oh, this?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay.
You might have to close the trunk shut.
First one?
Yeah, yeah, any one you want.
Okay,
Yeah.
anyone.
They're just windows. There's 4 windows, so they'll go out.
Jesus, that's nice.
Is the trunk open or not?
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
It's not
I
opening?
don't know. I don't know.
No, that's good.
Oh, geez, you got to keep the gas on, eh?
Oh, a little bit. There you go.
Okay, let's try this out. And then put on the brake and then put in reverse.
Do whatever you want.
What?
Put on the brake,
Put it
yes.
in
Put on the
car,
brake.
We'll be away.
Put on the brake, yes.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
Well, maybe not
Jesus.
that much.
I don't know if I should be
two.
driving this.
Just do 2. Just
Do 2?
They're not supposed to, but like the brake. But keep the brake on and then.
There you go.
I don't want to flood it or something.
Oh, no, you're alright. Just put your foot in the brake, put it in gear.
Yeah.
Alright. Takes me back.
There you go.
Fuck's sake. You know what? I'm done.
Almost. No,
Sean,
keep
you want to
going.
try it?
Keep
Oh.
going.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Fuck, I'm just too worried about wrecking stuff.
Jeez, he's following you. I think
Yeah.
it's
Oh, this will be maybe just as embarrassing. Oh, I got him. Move it up. Is it? Nope.
No, I don't think you can move it. Keys down there, left down there. Give her a little gas.
Oh my god.
There you go.
It might be a little safe because it might be short.
It'll be alright.
Okay.
Once we get out on the road, you're
Okay.
Why it's so close?
That's alright. Don't worry about it. He wants to see you.
Yeah. It's supposed to stay high.
He'll be alright.
Alright. I'm not used to being around someone so calm, dude.
Let your foot off the brake, away you go.
Nice. There we go. Sean's got her. Gonna see my head, maybe.
Oh god. I'm not that great, isn't it? Oh shit.
I don't get it. Here, take your foot off the brake now, you're alright.
This might be a little.
There you go. Here, you're underway. Take your foot off the brake, you're away.
Don't go too fast. See if it catches up.
And we're dry, right?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Go on, I gotta get
take
out.
your foot off the brake.
I gotta get out.
Okay.
Got it?
The brake is strong. I'm sorry, the brake is so strong.
Well, just the brake.
Oh my god.
Disappear? Oh, just gotta see his face. Come over here. Look at me.
Gonna see my head, maybe.
Oh god. I'm not that great, isn't it? Oh shit.
I don't get it. Play cards again?
That's a no, man.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
I
I'm not
play
a card guy.
Rummy,
myself.
crab. You play crab. That's cards.
There. I feel pretty safe with it here.
Yeah.
Get away from it.
It'll fall
Maybe
anyway.
it's gonna fall. Oh, that's a good shot. It's not gonna keep up the whole fucking thing.
Go slower.
Does it land? Is it?
Here.
Yeah, it's
Here,
not
bud.
following us at all.
It's fucking. It's
If only,
Come
eh?
on.
It's stupid.
Come on.
If only it was as smart as it.
Oh, quit. It's coming.
Is it?
No, quit.
Ah, Jesus. All right.
I'll drive it and put it
I'm gonna stop before I really wreck something. Yeah, that's really nice. That's cool. To drive it is totally different. You know, you can look at a hot chick, but you know, if you get to play with her a little bit, it's a little different.
Critically low battery warning.
Yeah.
That's heavy, but good to sit. Bud Light.
Oh, Bud Light's better, yeah. Bud Light's better.
What about Rob?